our wing over to Frankfurt Airport. I will handle all radio calls. This will be good practice to work on your flying formation skills. Try to make good use of your autopilot system to alleviate flight control inputs when needed. Once you get your engines up running and your parking brake is released, I will give Tower a call to let them know we are ready. We'll go ahead and pick up our flight clearance now. Atlanta clearance delivery Whisky Wing, located at Control Tower parking ramp, has information Sierra, ready to pick up clearance to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot.
Whisky Wing cleared to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot via Atlanta 04 departure. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. Contact tower when ready for taxi on 118.1.
Whisky Wing cleared to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot via Atlanta 04 departure. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. We'll contact tower when ready for taxi. Atlanta Tower, Whisky Wing, ready for taxi.
Whisky Wing, cleared to taxi to runway 09er via taxiway Alpha. Hold short of runway 09er.
Whisky Wing, cleared to taxi to runway 09er via taxiway Alpha. Hold short of runway 09er.
Whisky Wing, cleared to taxi onto runway 09er and reposition for wing formation.
Whisky Wing, clear to position and hold under runway 09er.
Whisky Wing, clear for takeoff, runway 09er.
Whisky Wing, clear for takeoff, runway 09er.
Whiskey Wing, turn left, heading 020, climb to 5,000 feet. Maintain speed 200 knots and contact New York Center 124.0.
Whisky Wing, turning left to 020, climbing to 5,000 feet, maintaining 200 knots, switching to 1240. New York Center, Whisky Wing, heading 020, climbing to 5,000 feet, maintaining 200 knots.
Hey, your Whisky Wing, climb and maintain flight level 210. Cleared to join airway Juliet 339, Venice file. Climbing for 10,000 feet, maintain speed 300 knots.
Whisky Wing, climbing to flight level 210. Cleared to join Juliet 339er, Venice file. After climbing through 10,000 feet, we will increase our speed to 300 knots.
Gander Center on 132.3.
Whisky Wing contacting Gander on 1323. Gander Center, Whisky Wing climbing to flight level 210, speed 300 knots, requesting ocean crossing clearance.
Whisky Wing Gander Center cleared ocean crossing via net strike Bravo at flight level 210 and 300 knots.
Whisky Wing cleared Nat Track Bravo at flight level 210 and 300 knots.
Whisky Wing turn right and maintain heading 070.
Whisky Wing turning right to heading 070.
Autopilot disengaged.
Whisky Wing, contact Shanwick Central on 127.8.
Whisky Wing contacting Shanwick on 127.8. Shanwick Center, Whisky Wing on Night Track Bravo, maintaining flight level 210 and 300 knots.
Whisky Wing, Shanwick Center, turn right to Hatton 160 and descend to flight level 100. Reduce speed to 250 knots.
Whiskey Wing, turning right to heading 160.
Autopilot
Descending to flight
disengaged.
level 100, reducing speed to 250 knots.
Whisky Wing, contact Frankfurt Center on 125.8.
Whiskey Wing contacting Frankfurt on 125.8. Frankfurt Center, Whiskey Wing heading 160, descending to flight level 100, speed 250 knots.
Whisky Wing, Frankfurt Center, maintain heading, reduce speed to 200 knots, descend to 3,500 feet, QNH is 3008.
Whiskey Wing maintaining heading, reducing to 200 knots, descending to 3,500 feet, QNH is 3008.
Whisky Wing, contact Frankfurt Tower 118.9.
Whiskey Wing contacting Frankfurt Tower. Frankfurt Tower, Whiskey Wing heading 160, descending to 3,500 feet. We have information Delta.
Whiskey Wing, Frankfurt Tower, turn right heading 180, maintain 200 knots, expect runway 09er.
Whiskey Wing turning right to 180, maintaining 200 knots.
Whiskey Wing, cleared to enter the traffic pattern for runway 09er at your discretion.
Whiskey Wing cleared to enter the traffic pattern for runway 09er. Pilot, I'm slowing down to 180 knots for downwind. After we're clear to land, adjust your spacing to allow me to land first. My V approach speed will be 150 knots.
Whiskey Wing, cleared to land runway 09er.
Whiskey Wing clear to land runway 9.
Landing gear. Autopilot disengaged.
taxi into parking. Great job on your performance today. Go ahead and park in the number 2 hangar. Once you get everything shut down, I will call for our transport over to the hotel. We're definitely going to need some rest because we'll be starting tomorrow at the crack of dawn.